Hey Modern Shavers, Terry here. Have you ever bought a razor or happen to have a straight razor at home that just doesn't hold very well? It's slipping. Now you can pay someone to repair this for you, or you can do it yourself. All you need is a spoon and a metal surface. Now I have an anvil, but you can do it on top of your stove, as long as it's not glass, of course. Metal stove, something smooth and flat. I'm going to use my ball peen hammer, and if you come closer, I'll show you how. We're going to talk about peening today. From time to time, you might find a straight razor that's just a little too loose. Well, that's actually dangerous because it might open up or close on you, and if your finger's there, you'll cut yourself. So today I'm going to show you how to repair that. Now there's a number of ways you can repair it. You can take the peen out by drilling it. I'm not going to do that today. That's a more elaborate way of repairing a straight razor. What I want to do is teach you how to just fix it up so that you can continue shaving with what you might have in your home. But going back to how you would repair this, after you take the peen out, you can replace it with some new rod. This is a 1/16 inch brass rod. And you would then replace it with a couple of these old washers that I've recycled out of another straight razor, and those are really hard to come by. Another option is to install a micro fastener, which is basically a miniature nut and bolt with some washers inside it. And a lot of straight razor restorers, including myself, have been going this route because it's a lot easier. You don't have to learn how to peen. But today, I am going to show you how to peen. So in order to peen, you need to have a fairly smooth ball peen hammer, which is what this is. And this is just a miniature one, and it serves my need perfectly for the purpose of restoring straight razors. I've polished this so you can actually see a mirror reflection there. And that's important because that smooth finish is going to transfer to the peen itself when you're tapping away. Now, if you don't have a ball peen hammer, you can repair it using a simple spoon. So I'm going to start doing that first. It helps to have a flat metal surface, and what I have there is just a little miniature anvil, and I love this because it serves my purpose well. Now, the disadvantage of trying to take this peen apart is that if you drill through it with a 1/16 inch bit, you run the risk of breaking this scale here. Now, it could be old horn, and if you're doing this for somebody and you accidentally break the scale, well, that becomes a problem. And this straight razor was given to me to hone for a friend, and I don't want to destroy these scales because this belonged to his dad, so I want to keep it original. And since it's loose, I'm just going to see if I can repair it right here in front of you. So the art of peening involves many light taps. You don't want to go hard because if you go hard, you run the risk of cracking the scales. So using the spoon first, which everyone has in the home, and you want a fairly heavy one, we're just going to tap away here. And what you want to do is mushroom the top of that peen. So I'll do 20 taps on one side, flip it over, and do another 20 taps. And every once in a while, you want to test it out. Of course, we're not there yet. Now I'm going to switch back to my hammer because that's a lot easier for me. But just to let you know, you can use a spoon to repair a peen. It takes you a little longer, but if you don't have a nice ball peen hammer like this one here, then the spoon will serve you just fine. It'll take you longer, that's all. Gotta go back to this side. there we go. So probably only took me about 30 hits on each side. And that's how you would fix a peen. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below in the box. And as always, if you liked the video, please share and give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Take care and have a great day.